Hey guys, and as you can see in front of us is a baby chicken. Go big. One of my brothers. If you don't know, I'm a part of the chicken army at my school. It's where all the chickens fight against the wolves. So good, bacon. And this is why I'm sad about the chicken. Because he could have gone up and been one of the chicken armies. I mean bacon. Because if you didn't see the last video I made, I was making bacon and eggs. Not fertilized eggs. I mean, fertilized. I forgot which one, but it's not chickens. So yeah, let's get into it.
I have just found a baby bird fallen on the floor. It is still alive and breathing.
Oh my god, so small.
I have a carton box in the courtyard of my house, where the bird has made its nest. This baby has fallen from this nest.
Why is there 2 holes in it? That's dumb. I don't know. Why are they so huge too? They're huge holes. So sad. Chicken Buddha.
It is very tiny and soft, that's why I am picking it up by using paper. I guess direct contact may harm him.
Go for it. No Buddha. I'm sorry guys, I need a little break. That is just too much. That's crazy. A baby bird fell out of his nest that high.
You can hear him chirping.
Oh, that's so cute though.
I think it has not yet fully developed, and I am not able to see his eyes. And the wings are also undeveloped.
Yeah. That looks weird. Why are you just standing there? Put it back in the box. I'm sorry. Not in control. Just standing there looking at it. Watching it in pain. Moving. Okay, now you're making me insane. Just put it in the box. Just do it. Just. It flipped over. Wow. When is he gonna put it in the box? Finally!
I feel that this box is slightly tilted forward. It may have fallen out because of this. I need to straighten the box first before I put him back.
Why are those holes
I have
so
put
big?
it back in his house.
After 10 minutes. The birds.
You can see that bird. That bird just entered into the box, and just as she entered into the box, the baby fell down again. The bird has flown away.
So it was Jared.
It seemed as the bird has thrown it out. The other possibility is that the newborn has moved towards the outside of the box and fell down as soon as the bird entered into it.
I'm not crying, I just
It
got
is
something
also
in my eye.
possible that the bird was scared to see her own baby and ran outside, causing the baby to fall down. I have taken the newborn baby back on the paper. Once again, I am gonna try to put it back in the box.
Finally.
I have once again put the newborn baby into a nest. This time I have put the baby bird deep inside the nest so that it does not come out of the box again.
He kind of looks like Slender Man without the eyes. Because he has no eyes. Kind of looks like Slender Man. Alright, if I get... Well, no. Let's just do this. If you guys want me to make another YouTube account, or no,
Now I am leaving here so that the bird is not afraid to...
If you want me to make another YouTube channel, put in the comments below, and I'm gonna name it The Chicken Army, and it's gonna be all about chicken games, chicken costumes, sad chicken stories. So comment down below if you want me to do that. And yeah.
see me.
30 minutes.
I am back again after half an hour. If the bird sitting in front of me flies away from here, then I can check the nest.
Yeah.
The bird has gone. Now I can check it. I had already placed a high stool under the nest so that if the newborn bird fell again, then it would fall on the stool. Falling down directly on the floor can hurt him more. The newborn baby of the bird has not dropped on the stool. Let me check if it is up there or not.
Well, can you at least put something soft on it? Like a small pillow? Or something like that? Like, bro, you're just gonna let him fall in the heartbeat?
I am not able to see him, but can hear him chirping. I think there are many newborn babies in this nest. I can hear them but can't see any one of them. Perhaps these babies are on the back of this grass stack and the newborn baby who had fallen out, to whom I had put back a while ago. The bird would have also pushed him in the backside. The babies are not visible from this hole.
The babies. Wait, what?
I had put the baby in this hole of the box. If it falls by himself, then it should fall on this stool straight down. But it has fallen deep towards the side. Here. Now I can definitely say that this baby had...
How'd it fall again?
Oh no, the baby has fallen down here. But the surprising thing is how it came here right in the middle of the pieces of these tiles.
Oh yeah, how'd he fall again? Didn't he learn the first time?
I had put the baby in this hole of the box. If it falls...
Whoa, what is that? Hold it.
I had put the baby in this hole of the box.
What is that? On the top right corner, it looks like a lizard. Probably that's your problem. Worrying about that bird. Why don't you look at that lizard? Might be creeping up on you, biting their butt. I'm like,
If it falls by himself, then it should fall on this stool straight down. But it has fallen deep towards the side. Here. Now I can definitely say that this baby has not dropped out himself, but it has been thrown out.
You need to put pillows
Last
everywhere,
time it
pillows
did not
everywhere.
even
Just
fall
put
by
pillows
himself. The
everywhere.
bird that is one of his parents had thrown it out. There could be two reasons for the bird's behavior. First, it is not her child, but there is no other nest around here. So how did it come here? And I got him lying right under this box. That's why it can't be true that it is not her baby. The other possibility is that it is an immature baby and has come out of the egg before time. Or there is a serious illness due to which it is almost impossible for him to survive. And if
make another nest, put 2 holes on the top this time so it won't come out, and then put a little gate where they can where it can close and where the things can't get inside. And then you're fine. Put the stuff you need in there. Put a little card ball thingy in there to close it. Then you're done. You only gotta put it all the way on the top of there. Why'd you put it all the way on top of the roof? Let's just wait until it crawls out of the 2 holes in the front and then fall on the ground.
if it dies in the nest, other babies can also have a life threat. For this reason, the bird would have thrown it out. I have...
Like your mom did you. Roasted! Okay.
Put it back on the stool. It is so small that it is difficult for me to do anything for it. I have put boiled rice grains and bread pieces near him. But it is so small that it is difficult for me to feed anything. And it is also impossible for him to eat something by himself. If it remains longer without eating anything, it would be hard for him to stay alive.
It is almost as small as a rice grain. That's crazy. A piece of rice is almost taller than him. That's crazy.
I have put a drop of water near its beak. And the grain is kept near its mouth. I think that I should be away from here for some time. Perhaps his parents would have pity on him and put the scattered grain in his mouth. Because it is almost impossible for me to save his life now. About 1 hour has passed, and there is no movement in his body. Perhaps it is no longer alive, but I cannot be sure right now.
It died? Chicken Buddha died? How'd you make another one fall? That's telling you something. You need to fix your thing. Fix it?
2 hours have passed and still there is no movement of any kind. Now I can confirm that it is no longer alive. Now it is okay to take him away from here, otherwise its body will start to odor after some time.
Okay, that's enough. Well guys, yeah, leave a like and subscribe for me. That was the saddest video ever saw. But tell me in the comments what you would want me to look at next, and I'll see you guys next time. So see you later.